Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you how you can import export objects from Blender to Unreal Engine 5.2. As you can see here, I have imported the whole scene, so I'm going to show you how you can do that. So here we go. If you want to export a single object, you can select it, or if you want to export the whole scene, you can also do it by selecting only one object. Simply go to export, select FBX and find the path where you want to export your 3D object, and then simply go to path mode, select copy and toggle this box, and that's it guys. Now export, and now the whole scene is exported in this object, in this file. Now simply go to Unreal Engine, and from here create a new folder here, or you can simply drag and drop your file in Unreal Engine in your content folder. So once you open Unreal Engine, simply drag this file here in your folder, and from here check this build nanite option and import over. Once imported, select all the files here, so it will be imported with textures. Simply drag and drop it on your Unreal Engine scene. It may take some time in loading these files, but that's how you can simply import your whole scene in Unreal Engine. So as you can see, so that's how you can import files in Unreal Engine from Blender. So that's all in this video. Please subscribe to the channel.